Hi again. Hello, everybody. My name is Raksha. And in my previous video, I've talked about setting up a gateway as a solution. And I would like to help you with another error. So, there could be a possibility that you come across this error that you can see on my screen that the gateway is unreachable. So, there is an issue with the on prem gateway. It's that whenever you are away or offline, or your laptop is on sleep, or you just shut down, so there would be a possibility that the refresh which is scheduled on your particular reports will throw an error, and it will say that the refresh could not be completed. So what you can do in this scenario is you can set up a remote desktop, or I should say a virtual machine, such that you will always be having a network connection for 24 into 7. So after setting up a VM, what you can do is you can install an on-premise gateway over there, and you can configure all the connections through that into your Power BI reports, and that will not lead to any refresh failures. So I hope that this knowledge was useful, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.